Chuku chiku chiku chuku chiku chuku cha. Chuku chiku chiku chiku. Hello, hello, and welcome back to CNR Private English Classes. How do you feel today? This time we're gonna get into pronunciation, and to be more specific, we're gonna work on the pronunciation of the TH. Part 1, because the TH has two pronunciations, but in this occasion we're gonna work only with one pronunciation. And the first sound is this. That TH sounds. Notice my tongue gets a little out, slightly out. I press with my teeth, and then I blow out air, like this. Don't confuse it with the F. It is really important to take out the tongue. Here we have thanks, 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 thanks. The TH. Thanks, thanks, thanks for coming here. Thanks. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Thursday, 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 Thursday. How many cats do you have? I have 3. I have 3 cats. Thursday. When do you go to the gym? On Thursday. Thursday. Birthday. 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 When is your birthday? Birthday. Something, 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 something. I have something to tell you. Something, thing, something. 10th, 10th, 10th. In which place did he finish the competition? In 10th place. 10th, 10th. When is your birthday? It is on July 10th. 10th. One more time. You need to do this to produce this sound. Here we have think, 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 think. no think, no think, think, think. Do you think about your problems? Do you think about her? Do you think about him? Think about it. Think. Truth. Truth. Tell me the truth. I want to know the truth. Math. Are you good at math? Math, numbers. Math. Tooth. Oh, my tooth hurts. My tooth hurts. Tooth. Teeth. Remember that teeth is the plural of tooth. My teeth hurt. My teeth hurt. Teeth. Thirsty. 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 Oh, I am really thirsty. I really want to drink water. Thirsty. So help me one more time here. The sound that we have, the TH in this case, remember, it has another sound, but right now we only have this. Listen and repeat. Thanks. 3. Thursday. Birthday. Something. 10th. Think. Truth. Math. Tooth. Teeth. Thursday. Thirsty. Okay, so this is the pronunciation of the TH. Remember that it has another pronunciation, and we're gonna see that on another video. So thanks for watching. Maybe you could watch 3 more videos. If you don't have time today, you can do it on Thursday, or maybe on your birthday, or maybe you have something better to do. But don't wait until the 10th for you to do something. Think about this lesson and tell your friends, tell your parents the truth when you talk to them. Remember to study math, very important. Pay attention when you feel that your tooth hurts, and go to the dentist if your teeth hurt. And in case you are thirsty, get some water. So that's all for today. And this was CNR Private English Classes. And see you when I see you if I see you. And bye bye.